If you want to know how to check achievements on GOG, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you the easiest way to find your achievements inside GOG Galaxy, step by step. This is helpful if you want to track your progress, see what you've unlocked, or just check how close you are to finishing a game. And if this guide helps you out, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get straight into it. First, open the GOG Galaxy application on your computer. If you're not already signed in, make sure you log into the account that you use for your games. Once the app opens up, you'll land on the main dashboard, where GOG shows your library, recent activity, and game updates. Now look at the left-hand side of the app. In the navigation panel, click on Recents. This section is important because it shows the games you've played or interacted with most recently, which makes it much easier to find the game you want without searching through your entire library. After you click Recents, scroll down through the page until you see the Achievements box. Depending on the game and how much activity is shown on the screen, you may need to scroll a little bit, but once you find it, the Achievements section will display your progress and unlocked achievements for that game. From there, you can view which achievements you've already earned and which ones you still need to unlock. If the game supports achievement tracking through GOG Galaxy, this box is the quickest way to check everything in one place without opening extra menus. And that's it. That's how to check achievements on GOG Galaxy in just a few simple steps. Open GOG Galaxy, click Recents on the left, scroll down, and find the Achievements box. Super easy. If this video helped, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next helpful tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.